Imagine a tool that makes building smart machines not only possible, but approachable. That's Pytorch, an open-source framework for machine learning, created by Meta AI. If you've ever wondered how computers recognize faces, translate languages, or even generate music, Pytorch is often the engine behind those innovations. It powers neural networks, the digital brains behind deep learning. Researchers and engineers use Pytorch for computer vision tasks like image recognition, for natural language processing in chatbots and translation, and even in speech recognition. If you see breakthroughs in AI research, chances are Pytorch played a part. Why do so many choose Pytorch? First, it's easy to learn. If you're comfortable with Python, Pytorch feels intuitive and friendly. Its dynamic computation graph lets you adjust models on the fly, making experiment and innovation fast and flexible. This is perfect for researchers turning ideas into reality. And with strong support for GPUs, Pytorch models train quickly, harnessing powerful hardware using CUDA. Beyond core features, Pytorch is backed by a rich ecosystem. Libraries like TorchVision for computer vision, TorchText for language, and TorchAudio for audio processing extend its abilities, letting you tackle specialized projects with ease. Want to see Pytorch in action? Here's a simple example. Using just a few lines of code, you can create a tensor, Pytorch's foundational data structure. Import torch. X equals torch.tensor 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Print X. This demonstrates Pytorch's elegant simplicity. With just that, you've created a flexible entity for deep learning. How does Pytorch compare to TensorFlow, another top machine learning framework? Pytorch is praised for its flexibility and research-friendly style, letting users experiment with ideas easily. TensorFlow, meanwhile, shines in production environments, offering robust tools for deploying models at scale. Today, both are trusted by industry and academia. Knowing the strengths of each empowers you to choose the right framework for your next AI project. Pytorch, with its simplicity and flexibility, continues to drive machine learning forward.